There are times when you're in a Facebook group and you want to post something there anonymously for whatever reasons, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post anonymously inside a Facebook group. So I'm going to show you in two places, one in phone and one is in computer. I'm going to show phone first. Now before I begin, if you're new to this channel, if you want more tips like this, do subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's go to my phone and let me show you how you can post anonymously in Facebook group. Let's go. Okay, now I'm at my phone. Open up your Facebook app. Go to the Facebook group that you want to post at. For example, I want to post at this group, the lead generation for business. So this is the group that I created previously. And then you can see here to write something. You can post anonymously if you can see on top. Just tick it here. This is to protect your identity. Got it. Okay. Alternatively, you should be able to see it here at the bottom. Okay, here, there's anonymous post, filling, and poll. So for example, you want to do anonymous post. So click on this, and automatically you're being post anonymously. So this is the more direct option if you want to post anonymously in a group using your phone. So let's jump quickly to a computer. It's a similar thing, but let's just have a look at how things looks like in the computer instead of in the phone. I've shown you what to do in mobile, so let's go to the computer. And now I've opened up my Facebook profile, Facebook account in Google Chrome. So now you can see that it's in my shortcut, right? This lead generation for business, or alternatively, you can just go to groups and then find the groups that you are in. So it's all here, it's easy. The group that you joined or your groups, so it's all here, right? So I wanted to post it in, for example, this group, lead generation for businesses. Just click on that. So you can see here, anonymous post, very easy. Just click on it, read it through. Okay, just a disclaimer, the admins, moderator, and Facebook system still can see your name and profile photo. So it doesn't mean it's full anonymous, but other people will see it as anonymous. So you just create an anonymous post and then you just submit an anonymous post. Okay, and then let's just close it. Alternatively, or same thing as the mobile, you can just click here, just type whatever you want, right? And then put post as anonymous. Got it. Just an example, then click submit. Alright, now you can see it's anonymous member. Okay, now how do you comment as anonymous? Just let you know, for Facebook group, you cannot comment other people's posts as anonymous. So you can see that you cannot change anything, right? There's no option for you to post anonymously. The only way you can comment on the post anonymously is when you comment it inside your anonymous post. So basically, you can only comment anonymously inside your anonymous post. You cannot comment anonymously without your anonymous post. So when you comment to other people's posts, you'll still show your face, but you can change your different profile. That is if you are in it. Okay, if not, you cannot. But here you can comment hello. So you can see that it's anonymous member. This is again only available if you post anonymously. Then when you reply, you'll be anonymous as well. Okay, but same thing as well. The admin of the group can see who is it, just the other members cannot. Okay, so alright, this is how you post and comment anonymously inside a Facebook group.